Welcome to Instant GMP. Today, we're excited to showcase one of our powerful software features, equipment integration. This feature seamlessly connects your equipment to our software, enabling automatic data transfer. By integrating your equipment, you can minimize GDP errors, instill confidence in managers, and streamline data entry for operators. Let's dive into a demonstration of balance integration, focusing on a crucial step in batch record keeping, weighing out inventory using an integrated balance. During this step, the operator must weigh out a substance like citric acid. They have 4 options for measurement: scanning and obtaining the weight, scanning and obtaining tier/gross, recording the weight dispensed, or dispensed by subtraction. For simplicity, we will illustrate the scan and get weight option. The operator selects this option and proceeds to use a code 39 or code 128 scan gun, devices with cameras, or manually types in the equipment ID. Then they can scan or enter the receipt ID for the material being measured. Once confirmed, the system securely records the entry in 3 key places to ensure comprehensive GDP compliance. Firstly is the batch record, where details such as material, lot, balance, weight, and operator are documented. Secondly, the inventory system logs the usage history. Lastly, the equipment log references the batch ID, material, and operator. This level of traceability is available for each piece of integrated equipment, providing transparency and accountability throughout your manufacturing process. If you're interested in learning more about our integration capabilities or exploring what else we can integrate, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of our sales representatives today. Instant GMP, your all-in-one solution for manufacturing and equipment management.